F-Secure Review. Honest user experience. Is F-Secure the ultimate cybersecurity solution? With cyber threats on the rise, choosing the right security software is critical. I tested F-Secure extensively to see how it performs in real-world conditions. Most people get this wrong, assuming all antivirus software works the same. The surprising truth is F-Secure combine antivirus protection, real-time browsing security, and identity protection with minimal impact on device performance. Installation was quick and intuitive. The dashboard is clean, showing scanning options, protection status, and privacy features. I ran multiple scans, and F-Secure detected malware, phishing links, and even potentially unwanted programs accurately. One standout feature is real-time browsing protection. It blocks harmful websites, suspicious downloads, and trackers. Combined with its banking protection mode, it provides additional security when handling sensitive financial transactions. F-Secure also offers identity theft protection and in-service for private browsing. While these are optional, they add value for users who want a comprehensive security suite. Performance impact was minimal. I didn't notice slowdowns during scanning or daily use. Pricing is competitive, with tiered plans for antivirus only or complete security packages. Multi-device coverage makes it ideal for households with laptops, tablets, and smartphones. The only limitation is that some advanced features like the VPN and parental controls require separate subscriptions. However, the core protection is robust for everyday users. In conclusion, F-Secure is a reliable and efficient cybersecurity solution for personal and family use. It combines strong malware detection, privacy protection, and user-friendly design. If you want comprehensive, low-impact security with added privacy features, F-Secure is worth considering.